peeps? We are here at Universal Orlando Resort for the start of Halloween Horror Nights. And today we're just going to give you a brief look at some of the awesome merch coming to this year's event. Are you troubled by strange noises in the middle of the night? We're ready to believe you. This window is actually pretty cool. Let's take a better look. There we go. Here is the window advertising all the cool Ghostbusters merch coming to this year's event. As we walk in, we're greeted by some pretty awesome displays here for Halloween Horror Nights. But before we go there, let's check out this shirt. I think this is Insidious. This long sleeve, it is Insidious. So this is Insidious the Further. Kind of a long sleeve, a little thicker than a tee, but not quite a sweatshirt. 40 bucks. It's actually not that bad. And on the flip side, you have this year's original house shirt. So you can see all the original properties represented, like Monstrous, Goblin's Feast, Slaughter Cinema, Major Sweets, and the rest. And on the back, it says Shattered Screams. And it's got that, like, red goo stuff. Tons and tons of Ghostbuster merchandise. You can see a bunch of Frozen Empire themed stuff here. T-shirts, Tervises, mugs, candles, socks. Batilda represented there. Oh, and a little bit of Blumhouse back there too. Some more Ghostbusters gear. You've got this kid's sweatshirt, this spirit jersey, which is actually pretty thin, thinner than your normal spirit jersey. And here is the back. Ghostbusters mystery pin collection, sew-on patches. Over here you have all the Insidious stuff. So you've got the backpack, t-shirt. I guess this is a waist pack, fanny pack kind of thing. An Insidious the Further hat, which is actually kind of cool. Like, it's a trucker hat, but it's got this red mesh. A little more substantial than the normal trucker hat that they have. Mugs in Insidious glass. They've really kind of invested in these glasses these last few years. And the designs are actually pretty solid. And you have this tie-dye lipstick face demon shirt. More Ghostbusters here, including this wooden sign, a Ghostbusters glass, which is Frozen Empire themed. They actually had a Ghostbusters glass a few years ago when they did Ghostbusters, so this would go good with it. And here you've got a Ghostbusters kids t-shirt. Quiet Place represented here. You've got this shirt right here, which, oh, his teeth are like stuff you can feel. It's a $35 t-shirt. You've got these water bottles. If they hear you, they will hunt you. Candles, house shirt. They actually have a poster down there. And some keychains. Over here, you've got the IP properties represented on one single hoodie. So you've got Universal Monsters, Quiet Place, and Insidious. But I don't see Ghostbusters represented on the shirt. That's interesting. I guess these must be the scarier properties. So you've got a t-shirt version. You've got this water cup where horror lives. It's kind of their slogan this year. Mugs. There's another Insidious the Further shirt. Got a magnet here. The Studio Screamers returned this year. So you've got this collectible pin set of all the Studio Screamers this year, as well as this waist pack, which is also pretty cool. And I guess you can store your Studio Screamers in it. This is actually one of my favorite shirts this year. They have a specific Major Sweets. It's an artist signature series shirt. And I really dig the design of it. And I think Major Sweets gonna be a thing this year. Hopefully it's a good house. But in addition to the shirt, they've also got a, what is this? This is a pin. You've got a keychain. And of course, a cookie jar. Cookie jar is 30 bucks. It's not actually that substantial for 30 bucks. I'm not gonna lie. Another Studio Screamer shirt. Hello Kitty over here, doing your best Chucky impersonation. So much Hello Kitty Chucky stuff. Pretty cool. Here's some more Ghostbusters Frozen Empire stuff. So you've got kind of, I don't know, don't love the design on that one. You can really see, like, almost looks like a sticker just slapped on a hat. But you've got a Frozen Empire pin. badge holder, the lanyard, poster, hoodie, this more generic Ghostbusters Loungefly backpack. Here is a tin sign of that Major Sweets Artist Signature Series. And there's the certificate of authenticity. Luis Orazzi and Jose Pardo and Chris Gartner is who the certificate of authenticity is signed by. Here is this year's Chucky popcorn bucket. It's $44.99. It talks, it lights up, and it actually comes with a free popcorn. Let's see if any of them are turned on. Hey, Chucky.
All right, kid. Fun's over.
I don't know if that was this one or this one behind him. Let's see. Hi, Chucky.
Sorry, kid. You got me.
It was that one. Okay, I see what they're going for with this Hello Kitty Chucky stuff, but like it kind of looks like an eyeball. Creepy. Wow, lots of Hello Kitty Chucky. Even a hat that says Hello Kitty Chucky. She wants you for a best friend. The Minion monsters return. So I think this is Kevin, maybe? You guys can correct me in the comments. Some more Minion monster stuff over here. Hoodies, shirts, pins, mugs. Ghostbusters Frozen Empire. You've got a Slimer bag down there. Headband. And look at this cool hat. It's like purple and green, features Slimer. I actually think I like that one quite a bit. How much is this hat? Let's see. 30 bucks. Over on this display, you have like the punk rock themed stuff for Halloween Horror Nights this year. So you've got the skull with like lasers shooting out of his eyes. You've got crazy looking hats over here. You've got this year's house shirt where horror lives, features a punk rock skeleton guy. Features all the houses represented, which is actually kind of cool. Usually they're missing a house or two. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, all 10 houses represented on the shirt. Pretty cool. You've also got this stuff over here. So you have this Blacklight reactive shirt, tank top, beer holder, water holder, something holder. What is this? 4-piece record coaster set. Oh, that's cool. It's got like records. Yeah, they are. Pretty cool, but I think they are cardboard, so not very substantial. Water cup this year. Very cool. Women's tank top. You've got this like pierced hat thing. More headbands, backpacks, waist packs, or maybe this is just some type of purse or something. Crossbody. These seem really popular this year. They're like these skull shot glasses, 15 bucks. But they're like all over the place. Ornaments, fans, lanyards, shirts, shot glasses, so much more. Some more lanyards and the badge holders. And if you like Lil Boo, this is the year for you because they've got these big Lil Boos. This one's about to fall off. Why did I do that? Why did I touch him? And they have the Wall of Boo. Let's see what they've got. They've got shirts, which I have that shirt. They've got this backpack, which I do not have and will not be purchasing. But in case you are curious about it, it is $75. They've also got mugs, like these Stanley Cup looking things. Wow, this is pretty substantial, actually. Socks, which I actually really like. Car coasters. You've got this glow-in-the-dark tank top. More Lil Boos. This little sipper cup guy. So much Lil Boo. I hope you're not tired of him yet, because I kind of feel like if this stuff sells well, he's going to be around for quite a while. Oh, look at this. That's cute. Like a Lil Boo handbag. $35. Over here, you've got these Lil Boo, I don't know, I guess. I don't know what they really are. Does it say, or are you just supposed to know? You're just supposed to know. But it's $16, and it looks like it can hold keys or something. I don't know. You tell me. And of course, Lil Boo badge pouches, badge holders, and landers. You've also got this kitty cat beanie with like the piercing on the top ear. You've also got some snacks, barbecue flavored corn nuggets, cheesy jalapeno popcorn. You've got a poster of the house shirt. And what do we have down here? Oh, earrings. That's pretty cool. Earrings, and maybe that's a ring? I don't know what that is. Okay, wrist cuff. You got your like fashion jewelry down here. And of course, in addition to getting stuff in the store, there are tons of Halloween Horror Nights kiosks throughout CityWalk, and of course, in the park. The fun thing is that sometimes you can actually find different merch at the kiosk that isn't available in the store, like these little glow bracelet things, which are kind of cute. Also some additional Ghostbusters stuff that wasn't in the store. So you've got these Ghostbuster socks, probably because they're not specifically house themed. You can get Slimer boxers, that's kind of funny. And you've got this cup up here, the Stay Puft Marshmallow guys. Why don't we head into the park and see what additional merchandise they have inside. Oh, we are here. We are inside the park. Halloween Horror Nights signage is up. As of the time we record this, tonight is actually team member preview. So team members will get to experience Halloween Horror Nights this evening. Now the Universal Studios store has gotten decked out for Halloween Horror Nights already. So we're gonna head on in there and see if there's anything we didn't see outside. Well, here's something we didn't see outside. Enter the Blumhouse.
Oh, cool.
Glasses, t-shirts, signs featuring our favorite, Megan. Well, and this is interesting. You have this Halloween Horror Nights 33 shirt, which is, I think, representing Sinister and Surreal on it. So they've got this type of merchandise. Let's see. It is $40 for this bag, $30 for this hat, and here are Sinister and Surreal on a t-shirt. One thing we did not see in the stores, but that is available online as of this recording, is a Sinister and Surreal long sleeve t-shirt featuring the icons themselves. Here's something else we didn't see outside in CityWalk. This Insidious the Further wooden sign. It's $35. They also have that same design on, I guess these are shoulder bags. I don't know what exactly these are. I think you have, well, it says it's a utility case. It's a utility case. But look at this, in addition to the Major Sweets sign and cookie jar, or candy jar, you also have Major Sweets candy. This cherry berry mix and a milk chocolate bar with bourbon flavoring. It has killer taste. It's actually kind of nice to be here early in the morning on a Tuesday morning. There's like no one here. And we're making our way to, there's a store over here. I don't recall the name of it, but it's the one that lets out when you, or that you let out into when you go to the Bourne show. And apparently they have some other merch that we haven't seen yet. We're walking through the Demon Queen scare zone. They've got some props set up already. You can see stuff that they can easily wheel in and out so that it doesn't get in the way of the big superstar parade or megastar parade or epic star parade or whatever it's called. Little portal thing. Okay, the store is called the Five and Dime, and we are heading in because I think they have some cool stuff in here. This is what we came to see. Universal Orlando annual pass holder exclusive Mel's Drive-In, or Mel's Dine, shirts, metal signs, coasters, which is pretty cool, and these little pins. Right outside of the Five and Dime, they've got the HHN bar all set up and ready for this weekend. I feel like I'm going to spend a lot of time here, or would like to, but there's not a lot of seating, so we'll see. Hopefully this does so well, they decide to do an HHN bar year-round somewhere. I feel like that would do well. And I know that's not the point of this video, but here are the drinks that are available at the HHN bar in case you're curious. Cool juice, margarita, quick to die margarita, cocktails, beverages, and more. If you're interested in learning more about the drinks and food coming to this year's event, I will link them both at the end of this video. So stay tuned to the end of this video for more about the cocktails and food program this year. if you're interested in getting even more Major Sweets candy, you can head to the San Francisco Candy Factory, which has been taken over by Major Sweets. Major Sweets Candy Co. Very, very cool. Major Sweets is all over in here. All the signage and everything has been converted to the Major Sweets colors. Pretty cool. Ooh, look, mysterious door. You can get some of Major Sweets fresh roasted nuts. What's interesting is Major Sweets is all over that store, but I didn't see any Major Sweets merchandise or candy. So feels like a missed opportunity, but it is a few days before Halloween Horror Nights, so there may be some of that stuff when the event actually starts. I think this is actually really cool. So over here, also in San Francisco, next to the Fanta Bar, or one of the Fanta Bars, they have this Blumhouse Wolfman sign. Only in theaters January 17th. But one of the, I mean, obviously it's just a house. But one of the cool things about this sign is this is like the first teaser poster I've seen released for the movie. There's no trailer or other posters out there. So this is like the very first, you know, image or official image of the movie and the logo. I feel like this should say Wanta Haunta. Pretty cool setup for the Quiet Place food booth. Though I'm not gonna lie, nothing here really interests me. Corn chowder, baked beans, maybe this raining blood drink. Well, since there's no one here, Michael Bay commands me to ride Transformers The Ride in 3D.
Megatron, their leader. He is power-hungry, pure evil.
As we make our way through the streets of New York and the torture fair, let's stop into Sahara Traders and see if there's anything different about that mummy setup we showed you a few weeks ago. All right, things look slightly different than they did a few weeks ago when we came. Obviously, still have references to Cary, Ohio. I think this stuff is new. This feels like it wasn't here before. Collision at the port? Sounds bad. Ooh, shadowy figure. Museum robbed. Local warehouse opens after roof collapse repaired. What does it mean? I don't know. What does it mean? Was that box broken last time we came? I don't remember. I'll have to look at the video. More clues. And I think this is all related to the museum deadly exhibit. Scan that QR code. See what's there. Has this Skull Island poster always been here? Ghostbusters food kiosks looking a little different than we showed you a few weeks ago. Mini Stay Puft S'more. Looking forward to trying that out. And you've got the Ghostbusters firehouse here with Slimer hanging out on top. Queues and queues and queues and queues and queues. Back here is where the Quiet Place house will be. That's this is the entrance right here in front of the stage to the Quiet Place. They are definitely expecting some crowds for that house. A couple of different pieces of merch here at the merch kiosk right next to the stage, including this Dia de los Muertos stuff that's actually pretty cool. Some more cool wall art on the outside of the Universal Studios store inside the park, including this peek at Sinister and Surreal, this year's icons. You'll be able to get all of the merch I've shown you in this video and more in this year's tribute store, which isn't open as of the time of this recording, but make sure you're subscribed to the channel because we will be doing a video once it opens. All right, peeps, if you liked this look at Halloween Horror Nights merchandise, give us a thumbs up on this video. It really helps us out. Hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell because we have tons more Halloween Horror Nights content coming up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.